Morning, y'all. It's another beautiful day here in Washington State. Another very windy day here in Washington State. I'm out here at T Lake. And yeah, it's probably blowing like sustained 10 to 15. Probably not the best day to be out on the yak, but I brought my anchor, which I'll show you. You'll see in the video. It's a little improvised. I think it weighs like 6.5 pounds. It's just a big water bottle full of rocks and lead attached to a string. So I think I might get out here and try to get on some trout. The water is up significantly from the last time I've been out here. Don't know how that's going to affect fishing, but I figured we'll give it a try. If the wind blows us off the lake, we got Lake X right around the corner, which is kind of like my last resort. I've been there fishing quite a bit lately, as you know. So I'm really going to try. I'm really going to try to get on some trout out here. I've got 2 trout rods and a bass rod. Just because. So, alright, I'm going to get the yak unstrapped, get all bundled up, and get out in the water. Alright, still filming? Yeah. I'm all bundled up. Got my anchor. Let me show you my anchor. Oh, getting old. There we go. About 6.5 pounds of rocks and lead. That's gonna hopefully keep us in place today. We'll see. So yeah, there's only one thing left to do. Well, my anchor's keeping me pretty well in place. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to get a bite out here today. I can all just set up a drift.
How is it?
Windy.
It's cold.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
You'll have better luck in that thing, that's for sure.
Well, I just got it, so we're doing like the test run kind of thing.
Okay.
Checking it out. We're not gonna be out there. My in-laws live across the street from the boat launch.
Oh, right on.
So it makes it super easy just to dump it in for an hour.
Yeah.
And then go across the street and warm back up.
Nice. Nice. Alright, I want to stop the video right here and sort of give you guys some context as to what was going on. I know it's just a lot of wind noise. So I got out there and I anchored the boat with the side of the boat into the wind, which I shouldn't have done. Switched the anchor up very quickly because I realized that was real sketchy. The boat was rocking pretty good. Hopefully you can see that comes through in the video. So I anchored up to the front of the boat. That was much better, much safer. And threw the atomic teaser out there for a little bit, threw a spinner out there for a little bit, even threw a bottom rig out there for a little bit just to see if they were biting, and no. So decided to call it quits. Headed in, had a short interaction with a father and his son. They were headed out there in a real nice John boat with a trolling motor and a kicker motor, and they were going to have a lot better luck out there trolling, which is what I assumed they were going to do than I was. So headed over to good old Lake X. Once again, the water was so much calmer. I really thought that the water wasn't going to be that calm, but it was. So quickly got my butt on the water and started fishing, and that leaves us right here. All right, we're here. We got the lake to ourselves, and it looks a heck of a lot calmer. So I'm gonna shut up and get out in the water. Look at that. Isn't that 10 times better? So I left T Lake, got to Lake X, and the water was pretty much placid, which was awesome. It was a great surprise. I thought that with the winds in the area, even though Lake X is very sheltered, I thought that the water was still going to be rough. Pleasantly surprised, got my butt out in the water as quick as possible, dropped down and got a bite. Missed it. And it was probably another 20-25 minutes till I got another bite, and that leaves us right here. It's about flipping time. Oh, haven't seen him yet, but he feels like a good one. Yeah, boy. That's a healthy one. Finally get one bite today, buddy. I'm okay with you being it. Nice rainbow. Thanks, bud. Seriously, thank you. Boy, that took a long ass time, guys. I feel invigorated. Well, it's been a slow morning out here at Lake X. I just got a bite and missed it, of course. I boated one trout, and that's it. Trying to stay positive. And just like that, oh, easy boy, easy. And he just popped off. How about that? Chill out. Hey guys, sorry that wasn't exactly a great video. Things were just slow out there. The wind was against me. I could probably list 50 other excuses, but I'm not gonna. As you might be able to tell, it's windy and raining. Oh, you gotta love Washington State sometimes. Anyways, I'm gonna post this video even though it kinda sucked. Didn't catch many fish, but I didn't get skunked. A friend of mine pointed that out. At least I didn't get skunked. So hopefully the next video is going to be better. I'm going to be doing some fishing farther south. Sorry about that wind. Down toward the Port Orchard area, sort of South Kitsap County. If that means anything to you. So keep an eye out for new content. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.